All right, let's see. So right now, it's a madness still. See, the thing with tech is you tend to get to explore a lot. But it's got to yield some results, at least at the age where I'm at anyway, or at least for the amount of time that I've put in. I'm able to conceptualize things a lot. So right now I'm sort of lost in, or at least I'm in Django land. Um, the Python web framework, which is pretty interesting as well. Like I've really grasped it to a specific level. But then also at the same time, when I start to delve a bit into some of the code and some of the templating, especially if you wanna embed it or if you wanna make it custom to a specific degree, you really have to have it. You really have to look at the code internally, right? So, I just really got to the understanding that Ginger, right? It takes a lot to do right, and you can also see it in the Django country directory. If you look, for example, the admin page or any other one of the some of the default pages that deliver some of the features, which really makes me understand like the level at which I've been doing Ansible hasn't really been. I've been trying to limit the amount of templating I do, but I should definitely do more Ginger templating based on what I'm evaluating from the Django library or from the Django package. And I think that it's effectively a feature rich framework that I necessarily wouldn't pick it if I was initiating a project. I am doing like a slide project at the moment, but I'm not picking it for a, you know, I'm picking it for other reasons. And it's no, and then and the project is not sort of large scale, something I intend to necessarily productionize in the way that we would ultimately productionize other applications. It's sort of it's limited to a very few number of users, which again at the same time. So, I just feel like you definitely gotta do a bit more Ginger in general. And also, the exploration is relatively fun, but it's definitely challenging. Um, and so I'm hoping to do something meaningful with this framework. But I did find it to be relatively feature rich and impactful in one aspect or another. It definitely enables creativity from my viewpoint.